Matte finishes have a reputation for being hard to take care of, but with the right products, it's actually pretty simple. This is Dr. Beasley's matte paint prescription. This complete car care kit comes with everything you need to safely clean and protect matte and satin automotive paint finishes. Why do you need special products for matte finishes? Matte paint finishes use texture to scatter light. Products formulated for glossy paint surfaces contain wax and silicone that fill in the texture and add gloss. On the other hand, rubbing too hard to remove stains, bird droppings, or other bonded contaminants can also make matte paint glossy by leveling the finish's texture. These kinds of shiny spots cannot be removed without repainting. The products included in the matte paint prescription don't contain gloss-enhancing ingredients and are able to break down stuck-on contaminants so they can be cleaned without rubbing. This makes them the best way to maintain a beautiful matte or satin finish. There are 4 products included in this kit: a 12-ounce matte body wash, matte paint cleanser, and matte final finish, as well as a 4-ounce matte paint coating. Matte Body Wash is a matte-safe wash soap that cleans matte finishes by removing loose contaminants. There are no waxes, silicones, glossing agents, or any other ingredient in the matte body wash that will add gloss or alter the appearance of matte paint, like conventional car wash soaps. Matte Final Finish is an easy-to-use mist-on wipe-off spray detailer that safely removes light dust, fingerprints, and smudges for on-the-go touch-ups between washes. Matte Paint Cleanser is a powerful spot cleaner that breaks down stains and bonded contaminants like traffic film, road tar, bird droppings. It emulsifies and breaks down unwanted substances, making them easier and safer to remove so you don't risk rubbing a shiny spot into the matte finish. Matte paint coating is a ceramic coating designed specifically for matte finishes. It adds a hydrophobic layer of protection that preserves the matte texture instead of filling it in like conventional ceramic coatings. This invisible protection helps to prevent contaminants from bonding to the paint, making unwanted contamination and substances easy to remove so you don't need to rub aggressively while washing or spot cleaning. Using these 4 products, anyone can keep a matte or satin finish looking beautiful simply by following the step-by-step instructions. Optional accessories like the wash bucket, grit guard, foam applicators, microfiber towels, and wash pads are also available as add-ons. If you have a matte finished hood or motorcycle, try the Mini Matte Kit and the Matte Motorcycle Kit. They include the same products sized down for smaller surfaces. If you ever have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out to us at myteam@drbeasleys.com or 773-404-1600. Thank you for watching.